How to connect databases in Notion. Today, we're diving into how to connect databases in Notion to boost your workspace efficiency. This simple yet powerful feature helps streamline your pages, making your docs, projects, and wikis more connected and organized. So first things first, head over to the Notion homepage. Click on Login, and for a faster experience, choose Continue with Google. Now, pick the Google account linked to your Notion workspace. Once you're in, go to the page where you want to connect or create a database. If it's a new page, just click into the empty space and type /linked. Select Linked View of Database from the drop-down. This is your gateway to connecting info across your workspace. Next, you'll see the option to link an existing database or create a new one. Click Link or Create a Database. If you're working on something new, start with a fresh table. Or if you already have data stored elsewhere, simply connect it here. This process allows you to bring everything together, whether it's tasks, content, or project tracking, so it's all accessible in one organized place. And that's it. You've just made your workspace more dynamic, efficient, and personalized. Keep building, keep organizing, and let Notion do the heavy lifting for your workflow. That's all for the video.